Beard Grooming Explained, a guide to styling and maintenance. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, beard grooming. This is a common term, especially in men's fashion and hygiene. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about this topic, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Beard grooming refers to the practice of cleaning, trimming, shaping, and taking care of one's beard. It's not just about cutting the beard. It involves various techniques and tools to maintain a neat and styled appearance. We'll look at why it's important and what it involves. In this section, we'll explore the different tools like beard trimmers, scissors, and razors, and products such as beard oils, balms, and shampoos that are commonly used in beard grooming. Understanding these tools and products is essential for proper beard care. Here, we'll break down the grooming process into simple, easy-to-follow steps. From washing and drying the beard to trimming and shaping, each step plays a crucial role in achieving a well-groomed beard. Different beard styles suit different face shapes. In this section, we'll look at popular beard styles like the stubble, full beard, and goatee, and discuss how to groom your beard to achieve these styles. A good grooming routine is not only about appearance but also about beard health. We'll provide tips on maintaining a healthy beard, including diet, hygiene practices, and regular grooming habits. That's all on beard grooming. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding this aspect of men's fashion and hygiene. Remember, grooming is not just about looking good. It's also about feeling good and taking care of yourself. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.